கருவாக்கி உருவாக்கி எனையாண்டு காத்தருளும் இறைவா நன்றி. எங்கும் நிறைந்தோனே எல்லை இலாதானே, எங்கேயும் எப்போதும் என் குலம் காப்பவனே. நெஞ்சம் துணிய துணையாய் வருவாய், நேர்மறை உணர்வுகள் பெருகிடச் செய்வாய். உடலில் உறுதியை பெரிதாய் தருவாய், உனை உணரும் அறிவை என்னுள்ளருள்வாய். சுற்றமனைத்தும் காப்பவனே, செய்தொழிலில் ஏற்றம் தருபவனே, எடுத்த செயலில் வெற்றி கொடு, என் ஆற்றல் பெருகிட அருளை கொடு. கருவாக்கி உருவாக்கி எனையாண்டு காத்தருளும் இறைவா நன்றி. வல்லமை தந்து நீ வளர்ச்சி கொடு, அகத்திலும் புறத்திலும் மலர்ச்சி கொடு. வளர்ச்சி கொடு, மலர்ச்சி கொடு, வளர்ச்சி கொடு, மலர்ச்சி கொடு.
Good morning everyone. I am very much happy to meet you in this morning after a long time, and I also very much delighted in this morning to welcome you all for this auspicious function, the club inaugural of our school. This is not a protocol that every year we'll be inaugurating our clubs. Rather than, we need to understand the real implication of this. As a quote says, be prepared before opportunity comes rather than preparing yourself after opportunity knocks. Such a way, we need to prepare yourselves for the opportunities and to achieve your dreams. So we have many different clubs in our school, like Readers Club, John Milton Club, Munshi Premchand Club, Nammalwar Club, Jhansi Club, Integrity Club, Art Club, and many different clubs. Now I am very much happy and feel proud to inform all our club in charge teachers. Usually when the schools is running, the members of the clubs will be the students, and the students will be involved and participated actively in all the clubs. Now as this pandemic, we are unable to involve the students in these activities, we are making the teachers as a in charge. The teachers will be guiding and they will be helping you to participate in all the clubs. Now it's a time to inform all the club in charge teachers for you. Readers Club, Mrs. Archana, Department of English, Mrs. Chaichitra, Department of Tamil, and Mrs. Ruby, Department of Hindi. John Milton Club, Mrs. Hemathili, Department of English, and Mrs. Madhivadini, Department of the English, will be the in charge teachers and they will be supporting you to participate in this club activities. Bharadiyar Mandram, Mr. Jayabharadi and Mrs. Juliet Santakumari, Department of Tamil, will be carry forwarding the club activities. Munshi Premchand Club, Mrs. Ranjita and Mrs. Hema, Department of Hindi, will be helping you and guiding you to participate in all club activities. Ramanujam Club, Mrs. Mallishwari and Mrs. Kartiga, Department of Mathematics, is the in charge teacher. Jhansi Rani Club, Mrs. Namagiri and Mr. Mayappan will be the in charge teachers. Health and Wellness Club in charge teachers Mr. Raghupati, Mr. Alex and Mrs. Saranya, Department of Physical Education. Integrity Club Mrs. Roslyn, Department of Science, Mrs. Janet, Department of Computer Science, and Miss Ambiga, Department of Computer Science will be the in charge teachers for Integrity Club. Art Club Mr. Sivabalan, Department of Arts and Crafts will be the in charge teacher, and these are the clubs and in charge teachers of our school. Now you would have been known what are the clubs are available in our school and who will be the in charge teachers. This pandemic has created a lot of opportunities to learn ourselves by different digital platforms, and we also witnessed many different peoples who have raised from rags to riches. How could that is possible? How it is possible? We need to concentrate in three things. If you want to achieve great things, if you also want to raise from rags to riches, we need to concentrate in three things. First, you want to find out what you are good at. Second, how can you exhibit and enhance your skills? Third, channelize and implement at a right place. These are the three things you need to concentrate and work on it so that you can also achieve your dreams and reach the heights. These are the clubs where we will need to bring out your hidden talents and polish your hidden talents. Certainly, these are the clubs. Tap your dormant potential that are sleeping within you. So what? Why are you waiting for? Get involved, be equipped and shine like stars. Last but not least, the quote says that on which you invest time grows towards perfection. Start your quality time investing in equipping your skills, enriching your skills, which will you give a good returns. I want all my students to actively participate in all the club activities and get equipped in their skills. Now I request our academic coordinator Mrs. Mohana to explain clearly in each club how the skills of the students will be developed. Thank you so much.
Happy morning, students. I am very much happy in meeting you all through virtual video for this club inaugural function. I am much thankful to the Almighty that at least we could able to meet our students through this virtual video at this juncture. First of all, on behalf of AVP Trust Public Senior Secondary School, I must thank our management who has given me this opportunity to meet you all my dear students for this inaugural function. And I am much grateful to the respected our principal madam for taking up the lead to inaugurate the function of all the clubs through virtual in this video. And I am much glad and delighted, happy that our principal madam has inaugurated all our clubs by lighting the glorious lamp. As the lamp has been lit by our madam, we pray to all the gods that we the students and the teacher fraternity and the students fraternity, we take up the chance at this pandemic to explore and expose ourselves in inheriting all the skills and talents through all the club activities which will be hosted in school for the forthcoming days. Dear children and beloved parents, on this auspicious inaugural function of our club activities, I must tell to my dear children, club means like the association where we are dedicated towards that association which will inculcate ones to develop their interest through the particular activity. That is the meaning of the club which I want to share through this video. With regard, in our school, as you all know, many clubs are there. So when we take the count of the clubs, we have 13 number of clubs in our school, such as in the name John Milton Club, Bharadiyar Mandram, Readers Club, Munshi Premchand Club. These clubs will focus on the development of the linguistic skill in focusing language communication, reading, speaking as well as writing. And following all the language clubs, we have Ramanujam Club, Department of Mathematics, Abdul Kalam Club for Department of Science, and Heritage Club for Department of Social Science. So if we take Ramanujam Club, the Department of Mathematics, which makes the students in developing arithmetic skill and in taking logical actions, that means logical decisions. And coming to the science, that is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Club, which makes the students develop in scientific knowledge and scientific social science, which we have in the name of social science. We have the club called Heritage Club, which will make the students to know about the history, our past, and to analyze the facts with regard to social science, and which will give the power pack energy for the students to become the great socialist in the world. We have the club name called Charles Babbage Club, Department of ICT, that means Department of Computer Science, which makes the students to develop technologically well and sounds good in softwares and hardwares. And also we have Health and Wellness Club, that is the Department of Physical Education, where our students can deal about their health and wellness, how the body is fit. Accordingly, the students will have the role to play in their activities created by our teachers. And now the very important club a school should have is the Integrity Club, that deals with value education. A student or a human being, one should possess good ethics and human values, which will be inculcated through this club. And then we have Ravi Verma Club, Department of Art and Craft. Students of AVP possess the artistic skill inborn in students' interest and dedication. So this will be one of the interesting club to all of our students. And we do have music club, which will be hosted once this pandemic has got over. In this juncture, we have 13 clubs which I have explained to you. Through all these clubs, what are all the skills and talents can extracted and explored and developed for the holistic development of ourselves. So students, you must believe that a child can be excelled in academics by learning their textbooks, workbooks, multiple enriched assessments. But these clubs plays a vital and prominent role in all of our students' life in developing their co-scholastic activities. Once the co-scholastic activities is well versed, the students in scholastic areas with regard to academics, the students will be excelled in academic excellence too. So I request the students to take part in all the club activities in the forthcoming days, which will be done by the school. At the same time, I request the parents not to ignore even a single club activities which will be communicated to the parents as well as to the students. So this video has been created to know the importance of clubs for our students. Thank you students for listening me the importance of clubs and the skills what you can develop through all the club activities in our school. Once again, thank you so much. And now I request Nitya ma'am, the cultural coordinator of our school, to share to our students why clubs are important in our school. Mrs. Nitya ma'am, over to you.
A pleasant morning, dears. Hope you're all doing with good health. I'm Mrs. Nitya, the cultural coordinator of AVP Trust Public Senior Secondary School. I would like to thank our principal ma'am and our management who has given this wonderful opportunity even in this pandemic to perform all the club activities through virtually. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. And dears, what we have gathered for? Yeah, you have known about all the club activities. Ma'am has given a wonderful introduction. Am I right? And today I need to share few more points about the importance of club activities. Shall we see, dears? So why we need to participate in the club activity? Yes, club activities will help you students to develop the sense of unity, teamwork, and also to develop the holistic development by participating in all kind of competitions. And students, you will not learn from only the mentors or teachers. You will learn from your peers too. Club activities will gain you new perspectives and also respecting the value of others' feelings too. And club activities will help you students to develop the social skills which are very much needed at this point. Am I right? Yes? Yes. And you will be performing not only with your comfort zone, and you have to try with many other things that you are not explored with. So this is a wonderful opportunity and a great platform. The club activities will let you know to touch the different fields. And also what you will achieve by participating in all these club activities. Yeah, the students, you will be more confident and also more independent at the end of all the club activities. Our AVP school has given a great opportunity for you student to participate in various competitions to pull out your leadership skill. So I expect all my dear students to give you 100% participation in the forthcoming club activity. I would like to thank all the parents who are going to be a moral support for your kids to participate in the upcoming club activities, and I would like to thank all my teaching fraternities who has been coming up with different kinds of activities for the competitions. Thank you dear students, and thank you dear parents, and thank you dear teachers. I am expecting all your 100% participation in the forthcoming club activities, dears. Rocket!
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे